delicious one-pan chicken thighs with an herby, rich rosemary garlic sauce that is perfect with mashed potatoes and green beans. I'm Tess, and I will show you from start to finish how to make this yummy chicken dinner. Stay tuned. I have 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs that I'm seasoning with a little salt and black pepper. First, I want to get the chicken skin crispy and golden brown. You will need an oven-proof skillet as the chicken will finish cooking in the oven. In my pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and placing my chicken skin side down. I'm letting the chicken cook for a good 5 to 7 minutes or until the skin is golden brown and the chicken releases easily from the pan. Then I'm flipping the chicken over, cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes and removing from the pan. My herb garden did great this year. I have a handful of fresh parsley, rosemary, and thyme. These will add a great flavor and brightness to this dish. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding 1 medium diced onion. I left about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and chicken fat in the pan, and as you can see, there is lots of good chicken flavor on the bottom. Cooking and stirring the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. This is 1 heaping tablespoon of minced fresh rosemary, giving that a good stir for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now I'm adding in 4 large good sprigs of fresh thyme. Rosemary and thyme are both bold and earthy and go well together. Giving that a stir and then deglazing the pan with 3/4 of a cup of white wine. The wine takes this chicken dinner to another level of goodness. Stirring and scraping the bottom of the pan and letting the wine simmer for a minute or 2. And we can't forget the garlic. This is 5 large cloves of sliced garlic. Giving that a stir, simmering for another minute, and turning off the heat. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm placing my chicken skin side up in the pan, and don't forget to pour in all the juices. For a little more flavor, I'm adding in more sprigs of rosemary and thyme. Place the chicken on the center rack in the oven and bake for 30 minutes or until the internal temp of the chicken is 190 to 200 degrees. This will be juicy and fall off the bone tender. The chicken, wine, garlic, and herbs will produce a wonderful, delicious, rich sauce. The chicken is done and my potatoes are ready to mash. I'm removing the chicken, covering and setting to the side to rest. Everything is smelling so good. I'm not quite done with the sauce yet. I have my pan back on the stove on a low-medium heat. Be careful because the handle on that pan is still hot. Make sure you use an oven mitt. First, I'm giving the sauce a taste. Add any salt or black pepper as you want, but this tastes good to me. For a pop of brightness, I'm adding in about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley. And this is 2 tablespoons of cold butter, and I'm stirring until the butter is melted and incorporated into the sauce. I can't tell you how good this is over mashed potatoes. It's time to eat, and let me fix you a plate. I enjoy how the tender chicken thighs and mashed potatoes soak up the delicious rosemary garlic sauce. You can serve any side vegetable that you like, but tonight the green beans won. A delicious one-pan chicken dinner that you can have ready in an hour or less. I hope you give this rosemary garlic chicken recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!